Hello, car enthusiasts! If you're as excited about new car models and off-road adventures as we are, then you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to always be up to date with the hottest news. The very first Bentley T-series, 1965 to 1980, a standard saloon in shell grey, returned to the factory in Crewe after 59 years. The car had been standing idle for several decades and was in terrible condition. Its restoration was carried out by the P&A Wood workshop, a partner of the Bentley Heritage Collection project. The most difficult part was to restore the original appearance of the interior, since the dashboard and most of the trim were missing and the wiring was hanging in pieces without any clear system. After dismantling, the flaws of a poor quality repair came to light: corrosion and uneven gaps between the body panels. The rear wing had to be replaced entirely, after which the car was primed several times and sanded. The chrome trim and bumpers were cleaned and polished, but the original coating was left so that the patina was visible. At the same time, the VibraShock anti-vibration mounts and both circuits of the Hydrop pneumatic ride height adjustment system were repaired. Surprisingly, the engine and transmission of the sedan with chassis number SBH1001 suffered the least. In the 6.23-litre 8, only the oil was replaced, the gearbox was reconfigured, plus the rear axle seals were updated. In its finished form, the first monocoque Bentley will take pride of place in the historical exposition of the Bentley Heritage Collection, which covers 105 years of the British brand's existence. A total of 1,868 such cars were produced, and in fact, they were Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, but with Bentley logos. The sedans could accelerate to 100 in 10.9 seconds and developed 185 kilometers per hour.